In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana App tutorial. We'll walk through the core features on mobile so you can get organized fast and stay on top of your work anywhere. Start by downloading Asana from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in with your email and password or sign in using your Google or Apple account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home dashboard, which highlights important tasks and recent activity so you always know what needs your attention. Along the bottom, the app has four main tabs. Home shows key tasks and recent work. My Task is your personal to-do list with everything assigned to you. Inbox keeps you updated with notifications and changes, and Search helps you quickly find any task, project, or person. To create your first task, tap the plus button at the bottom center and choose Task. Give it a clear name, add a helpful description, set a due date, choose an assignee, and pick the project where it belongs. When you're ready, tap Create. If you prefer to add tasks directly inside a project, open that project, tap Add Task, name it, then tap the task to edit details like assignee, due date, subtasks, attachments, and any custom fields your team uses. To navigate projects, tap the search icon, choose projects, and select the one you want. You can view it as a list, a board, or a calendar, and you can swipe left or right to switch modes quickly depending on how you like to work. When you finish something, open the task and tap the check mark. It moves to the completed section, keeping your workspace tidy while preserving the history. For breaking work into smaller pieces, open a task, scroll to subtasks, and tap Add Subtask. Give it a name, assign it if needed, and add a due date to make ownership and timing crystal clear. To upload files or photos, open a task and tap the paperclip. You can attach from your camera, photo library, files, or connected services like Google Drive and Dropbox. This is perfect for sharing proofs, screenshots, and documents right where the work happens. Need to discuss details? Open the task, scroll to comments, type your message, and tag teammates with the @ symbol to notify them instantly. In My Tasks, you'll see items grouped into recently assigned, upcoming, overdue, and completed. Reorganized by due date, priority, or sections to create a clean daily plan. Inbox shows comments, assignments, updates, and project changes. Swipe left on a notification to archive it once you're done. To use Calendar on mobile, open a project and tap Calendar at the top to see tasks by date. Drag tasks to reschedule, or tap any day to add a new one. To create sections on mobile, open a project, switch to list view, tap the three dots, and choose Add Section. Name it something like To Do, Doing, or Done to structure your workflow. Finally, to invite teammates, open the project, tap Share, add their email, and choose the right permission. Either can comment or can edit. That's it. You're ready to run your work in Asana on the go.